Tired of your porch, patio, and pavers looking worn and weathered? Erase time and grime and refresh your outdoor space with the revolutionary 24V ION Plus Cordless Patio Cleaner from Sunjoe. Lightweight and powerful. At less than 20 pounds, the eco-friendly 500-watt motor is powered by the exclusive 24V ION Plus battery system, using the included 4-amp-hour lithium-ion battery to quickly scrub away dirt, grease, moss, mud, and more. Equipped with two durable 5.5-inch nylon brushes, Sunjoe offers two selectable cleaning speeds, high at 1000 RPM and low 800 RPM, so you can scrub and scour away the most stubborn stains with cordless convenience. The dual onboard spray nozzles and variable water flow can be adjusted to the perfect angle to rinse away those years of weather and wear. Just connect your standard garden hose using the included adapter. Plus, Sunjoe comes equipped with mud flaps to help prevent splashback while working. And every Sunjoe patio cleaner is backed by a full 2-year warranty for reliable performance season after season. So to make your outdoor spaces look like new again, go with Joe, the 24V ION Plus Cordless Patio Cleaner from Sunjoe. Get equipped.